Alright, so welcome to Weather Station Part 2. And Part 2 will be we're going to do number 5 through 8. So let's get started here. Please tell me I still have my old query on copy paste. Nope, copy pasted distinct. So query the two city in station with the shortest and longest city name. Wow. Okay, so always have a select. And we want the two cities. So okay, so we want the shortest and longest city name. SQL get longest string. Now I'm in geeks for geeks. No idea what these mean. Okay, that looks ridiculously complicated. Okay, so we want it alphabetically by city name, so that's going to use an order by. Where does it say order by? Okay, here it is. Order by city, and then it says alphabetically, so alphabetically should be ascending. ASC? No, AS. Okay, there we go. Now we're in the big boy leagues. We get to use multi-line SQL queries. So select. We know there's going to be a from station. So we want both the shortest and the longest. Okay, so it wants city. Len city. Is len not a valid function here? SQL get longest string or longest varchar. Oh, it's length, not lang. Okay. There we go. Select from station. So we're just going to run this code. Our goal is to see. Okay, so what we should get is every single city from the database, and we should see all of them in alphabetical order. Okay. Okay, so now we have two things to do here. One, we have to make sure it only returns the longest and shortest. And Okay, let's try this. Let's comment all of this out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to sort by the lengths of the city. And then we're going to select both. And then we're only going to select top one. I don't know how this will work. Top one, bottom one. Let's just see if it works. You never know. Holy cow, this query takes so long to run. In Snowflake, this would be like 2 seconds. Okay, clearly that did not work. I want top one and bottom one. The bot one? Oh, you have to use union? Okay, so there's not... so basically, you have to use union and you have to run the query twice. One of them is sorted one way, other one is sorted a different way. I'm lost here. What's the problem? I don't want all columns, just 2 specific columns. Oh, okay, it's limit 1. Okay. So we'll get, okay, so this is order by city lengths ascending. So this will get the lowest one. Unexpected token. Confused. Oh, it says enter your query in a single line. Okay. So how do we do union? I'm just going to try putting it all in one line. And then this one, just gonna do desks. Kind of lost. Let's see if this is easier. Query a list of cities. Okay. SQL see if field contains character, but check for multiple. So do select. From station. Okay, so it only wants the name. So select city from station. Oh yeah, it's like where city like A. Oops. Let's try it. So this should return everything where there's an A. No response. Oh, it's where it starts. No response. I'm really confused. Maybe it is case sensitive. There we go. It was case sensitive. So now we're just going to copy paste this baby 4 more times. 4. So A, E, I, O, U. And then this should work. How would the result have duplicates? Oh, it needs ors. Okay. Oops. My bad, my bad. Or... That'd be funny if by default they just assumed you wanted or. Following. Oh, did I cut it somewhere? Oh, okay. You don't duplicate where. Okay, there's only one where. Okay. This should work. Nice. So what we learned from this one is that percentage sign is the wild card, and then when we have a where and we have like a saying we can use or statements within it, and then we use like to check for things that are basically not strict. So here we're just doing like a percentage sign to like A and then wild card at the end. And we don't need to test for distinct because you can't start with 2 different letters. And so let's submit the code now. Cool, we're done with this one. So let's copy this query. That was only 10 points. So let's go on to 7 now. Query the list of city names ending in vowels. So I'm just gonna add a distinct there, and then we're just going to switch up where the percentage sign is. And then I expect that to give us the right answer. So distinct is to get rid of the duplicates. Not sure if that'll work. And then I flip the order. Oh, no response. Select city. Okay, so we got no response. How about character and okay, let's try getting rid of distinct and then running it. Maybe, oh, we don't need distinct because same logic. You can't end in two different letters. Why is it saying no response? Oh, the cities all end in lowercase letters. Because they were only capitalized because that was the first letter. Okay. I understand it now. We're unlocking how to do it. Wow, these SQL query times. Oh, it's wrong. Why? Is it because there's duplicates? Let me just run this in Excel real quick and then check to see if there's duplicates. Nope. Okay, that command did not work. Am I like not allowed to paste? Or don't tell me it's white text. Oh, it is white text. Okay. Okay, and then now we're going to do conditional formatting, duplicate values. How are there duplicates? I'm so confused. A thing can only end in one letter. Okay. Just gonna put a distinct there and hopefully that'll fix it. Because if not, I'm not sure what to do. Nice. Okay, so I'm really confused at how there were duplicates though for Monroe. Because it ends with E, right? So only one of the cases should have caught it, but multiple caught it somehow. So now we have 2 out of 4 done. So we just have 8 and 5 left, which have vowels. Okay, so let me just go back to, what was it, number 6? And then take part of my query from there, because I'm not retyping that. So we just need the part where it says, where city, like, yeah, this is the part we need. Give us that good stuff. And then, or. So basically we just combine the two from the previous problems. And then result cannot contain duplicates. So first let's check for duplicates. Okay. Oh, we see here, so. Oh, okay, so I get it. Right now we're doing or, right, for any of these. So let's see if this works. So we're going to do an and clause. So we have where the last letter is a vowel, and then we have and then the first letter is a vowel. But I don't know if this is proper syntax. If it is, that means SQL is like literally the most straightforward language ever. If not, oh wow, SQL is the most straightforward language ever. It's gonna say, if not, we'll figure it out. But SQL is like super straightforward. This is my new favorite language, maybe even better than Python. Though you can't do a lot with SQL, you can only just query from data. Okay, so that was very useful to learn. We can just mix and match and ors, and we can use parentheses for priorities, which I think is what we were supposed to learn. So challenge 5 is done, and then back to this mess over here. So just gonna ask how to do this, because oh wait, I just realized there's a parentheses in front. No wonder why there was some silly error. Oh right, there's no union allowed. Oh, maybe we can use a or no, because we need to run 2 separate queries. Holy cow, I'm so confused, because we need to run 2 separate queries, so we need to have 2 separate databases. I mean, maybe there's a way to do it with an or statement. No union allowed. There we go. Okay. So basically what we're going to do now, so select these 2 fields. What is as? Let me Google what as means. What is as in SQL? I'm still confused at what the as key does. Let me look at this cheat sheet I have pulled up. Get the average number of rooms per listing. So select countries. Oh, okay, so all as does is rename a field. Okay, I got it. Okay, renames a field to make it easier to reference. Love how they don't I love how they changed the reference name and then don't use it. Okay, so I understand what that is now. So from station. Okay, so we're going to the where, and then we're going to have 2 different conditions. So we're going to have where city blah 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 or city blah blah blah, and then followed by semicolon at the end. So where select city from station And then order by length city. And then, so we're going to have one for ascending and one for descending. And in the ascending, the top one will give us the shortest. And in the descending, it will do the opposite and give us the longest. So from station, order by length of the city. And then we can have two order by. So we're going to do city ASC. So, okay, this is still within the parentheses. So what we're doing is, did I type limit wrong? Oh, I thought limit was supposed to light up. Anyway, so this one, so let me explain the statement here. So we're selecting from city, the station. Right, so we're city, and then basically where the city matches. Oh, there should be an equal sign. So basically the city has to match the shortest one, and then it's sorted alphabetically. Or we do the opposite, and then this one is from the length of the city name, starting from the longest one to the shortest one. And this one's still sorted alphabetically. We don't change the order of this because they want alphabetical. Yeah, that comes first and ordered alphabetically. So let's run this query, which will take forever. The AS keyword causes errors, so follow this convention. Unexpected token. City from station. Okay, let's see what's wrong. It's missing an equal. Oh. Where city oh, okay. Or where city equals. Ooh. Wow, they should make the debugging easier. Or I should just be better, honestly. Okay, so what we did is, I forgot to put an equal, because the city needs to be equal to, basically, we run a query within a query, and that's how we avoid using union, but this looks kind of convoluted. And then the query we run within selects the city, so it can match up with the city field here, and then come back as. So what this does here is, this is filtering, and we take this city part, and we set it equal to a query we run to find either the top or bottom, and then filtered alphabetically. So it's first filtered by lengths and then filtered alphabetically. So we get the one that comes alphabetically first. And that's it for part 2. That was a really, really long one. Oh, this is 30 points. Yeah, this is way harder.